What if I told you the holy grail of crypto actually exists? For years, we've had to choose. Do we want the speed and ease of a centralized exchange like Binance? Or do we want the safety of owning our own money in DeFi? We could never have both. Until now. There is a project that is quietly eating up market share, hitting trading volumes that rival the biggest giants in the industry, and it didn't even have venture capitalists backing it. It's called Hyperliquid. But is the hype real? Or is it just another bubble waiting to burst? So what exactly is Hyperliquid? Most people think it's just another decentralized exchange, or DEX, but that is a massive misunderstanding. Hyperliquid is actually a layer 1 blockchain, just like Solana or Ethereum, but it was built with one specific obsession: speed. It solves the biggest problem in crypto. Usually, trading on-chain is slow, expensive, and clunky. Hyperliquid built a custom technology called HyperBFT that allows it to process hundreds of thousands of orders per second. It feels exactly like using a professional trading platform, but everything happens on-chain, in your wallet. Before we dig into the potential, I have to remind you, I am not a financial advisor and this is not financial advice. This video is just for educational purposes only. Always do your own research. Now, does this have investing potential? Let's look at the facts. The special sauce here is something called an on-chain order book. Unlike Uniswap, where you trade against a pool, Hyperliquid uses an order book, just like Wall Street. This attracts the big whales and institutional traders because they get better prices. But here is the best part of the story. Hyperliquid didn't sell out to big VC investors early on. They did a fair launch. This means the community, people like you and me, own the network. The HYPE token is used to secure this network through staking. If the platform volume grows, the demand for the network grows. It's a simple formula. Usage equals value. What is the vision? Hyperliquid isn't just trying to be a casino. Their goal is to build an open financial system that handles everything: trading, lending, and assets at the speed of light, transparently. They are solving the problem of trust. You don't have to trust a CEO who might run away with your money. You trust the code. If they succeed, they could replace the old financial infrastructure entirely. I'm Sina, and I'm trying to grow this channel and help others like me. If my video helped you, like and subscribe for more simply explained and high-quality videos. Also, leave a comment to boost my motivation. And remember, if you want to know what are the best crypto altcoins that you can invest in right now and their potential, check out the playlist and video you see on the screen. Love you guys. See you in the next video.